With the right tools, you could deliver great services. You can always exceed customers' expectations with Axolon Service Management. Whether industrial equipment is brought for calibration or an automobile needs repair and servicing, our industry-specific solutions address it all. Plan your services, track periodic contracts, carry out requisition of inventories, evaluate the expense incurred during the execution of the service, manage and bill multiple jobs, set up maintenance schedules and visits. With Axolon, integrate customer requests and field service and optimize your service operations. Register incoming customer service requests, assign them to service personnel and let them know what problem they should be working on. The technician could visit the customer's place, complete the task, fill the timesheet automatically, get the customer's signature, and upload photos to the system. With Axolon's automated system, you could deliver amazing customer experience wherever they are. Companies throughout the service industry are discovering the benefits of using a powerful software solution. For more information, please contact our team.